and this is Neeraj Nifty and today I am making this video with my view and update as to what do I think as of 29 September 2024 as to what is a view on Nifty. Remember, this is just a view on Nifty. I don't recommend buying or selling any of the trades like buy, go long on Nifty or go short on Nifty. Basis this video, do not take any trade. And before proceeding further, I have a small request. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. Please press the like button and the bell button. And if you think that my video makes a lot of contribution to you, your life and your earning, then please be kind and generous. Hit the subscribe like and consider making a small contribution to my kitty, which could be as small as buying me a cup of tea, coffee, or a snack by scanning the QR code and making a small donation to this QR, which you can see on the screen over here. This would help me to just pay for my little expenses that I have, and it will be so nice and kind of you, and I'll be very thankful to you. So let's proceed further and understand as to what does Nifty look like as of now, on this particular date of 29 September 2024 as we are going ahead. So I have a few observations which I have mentioned over here, and you can take a note of this. You can also take a screenshot of this, and this will help you understand as to how to trade this market. Now, this particular entire zone which I have analyzed is considering the fact that Nifty is moving in a channel starting from the month of June, where there was a crash at the time of elections just for one day, and after that it has never made any kind of fall as such. It has just corrected a little bit, but it has mostly been in one side upward direction for consecutive 4 months at a stretch. So there are a few observations which I have, and I would like to share with you those. The very first observation I have is 21880 is a very strong support. So as you can see over here, Nifty has formed multiple supports at this zone. 21880 is over here. It has formed multiple supports for mostly the entire year 2024. So if you ask me as to okay, what is the main level at which Nifty has mostly traded for half of 2024, that is from Jan to July, mostly it has come and stopped near this level of 21880. So that is a place to start from to look at as to what is the future, because there has been a lot of accumulation over here. This is called as the accumulation zone because for entire stretch of 6 months Nifty has consolidated over here. So it has a very high potential, and it has a caliber of making newer highs in the remaining portion of the year. That is my simple observation and my forecast. Now I could be wrong, but for those people who are always thinking of shorting the Nifty and going short on Nifty, this is a word of caution. Just don't go blindly on the basis of some news or somebody comes on a channel and says something. Just don't go blindly. Apply a little bit of your common sense, and you will understand as to why am I saying this. So there are certain calculations. There is something called as common sense, and there is something called as the chart, which has factored in everything even before you and I know. So if you see some correction, or if you see that okay, some news flow is coming, there will always be a possibility that the chart has already factored in. Now one important level which is at a current short term level support, which I would like to mention over here, is the level of 25,333. This is the level which you should watch out for from here. It has made this up move, which has started from the month of 18th, in the month of September. Starting 18th of September, it has made this support, and now we are seeing that it is in a uptrend for the entire week till 27th of September week. So now how does it look like? Now many people and many video YouTubers have already started saying that it has made a red candle, so this is a sign of a fall. Yes, possible. It could be a sign of a fall, but you cannot just conclude basis that it will now crash. No, it cannot be that way. There has to be a certain criteria which has to be met for a crash to happen. A, there has to be a uncertainty in the market. I don't see there is any kind of an uncertainty in the market as of now, other than the news flow of warlike situations which are there, which is there, which will always be there, but that's already going on for a long time, and it has been already factored. That is what I think so. So the important low to consider is 24753, which I have marked over here on this line, which was formed on 9th of September. So September low is an important low. That is a place to start with, to consider as to what exactly will be the low that needs to break, and what is the level below which, if it breaks, you have to consider that Nifty is actually weak. So these are the two more important levels to watch. First is 24753, which is an important low. If it breaks and then closes below 24313, then it will be a sign of a weakness, the red line which I have drawn over here, which means that this entire up move is negated if this red line is breached, which is 24313. If this is breached, and Nifty has again, let me tell you, made a very strong bottom over here at 24,150 level. So 24,150 is something which it has tested multiple times, and it is very unlikely that this level, until broken, anyone should go short on Nifty and start thinking that there will be a crash. So what should the investors do? There are a lot of people who watch my videos who are investors and who are saying, "Acha, to when should we go ahead and start investing in Nifty?" So my clear cut straightforward answer to them is, I have a calculation that near 13th of December 2024, there is a very likely and a high likely chance that a new bottom like this one can be formed. The bottom which you saw over here on 4th of June 2024 after the election results, there could be a similar kind of a low that can form. So one low was formed on 2nd of August where there was a correction, and these corrections are mostly of around 800 to 1000 points, which we have seen in the past. So there could be 800 to 1000 point fall again, which can happen, but that is not a crash. 800 to 1000 point in a Nifty is just a correction, which is nothing in this kind of a buoyant market. So please mark these two levels, 24753, which is an important low that needs to break, and the September low, which is 24313. So these are the things you need to mark now. So this is what can happen if the Nifty goes down. Now there are other side of people who might be thinking bullish as to, okay, Nifty is bullish, please tell me till where can Nifty go? So my straightforward answer to them is that potential Nifty target can be 30,080 to 30,250. This is my personal calculation. I could be wrong, but this is what I see, that Nifty target is 30080 to 30250. This is what I think that can happen on Nifty. I've been observing Nifty for many years. It is not today or for the first time that I have made this kind of a prediction. I have made these kind of predictions many times in my previous videos also. You can go back and check, and mostly those kind of predictions have always turned out to be true. So that is a potential level. Potential does not mean necessary, confirm, sure, hoga hi. No, it's not like that. It is a potential level till where can Nifty go, because Nifty is moving in a way where it is not even breaking a previous weekly low. Forget breaking a previous day low. It is not making a an attempt to break the previous week low. In fact, every time it breaks, it consolidates and make a fresh bottom and goes up. So if that is the case, then there is a very high chance that Nifty has a potential to reach. So if you see this channel over here that I am showing, this is a potential to continue till 27657. So about 26850, 26,850, 26850 has to cross on a daily basis. Like it is crossing on a daily basis, it is making a newer high. So 26850 also has to cross, and then it can continue till 27,657, which is another 1000 point move. So first, right now we are at 26178. We are saying that from 26178 it has to go another 600 points up and cross 26850. So the first hurdle is 26850. If that hurdle is crossed, then it will go to 27657. Now if that hurdle is crossed, the next target is 28,000. That will be the next hurdle for sure short. So 28,000 is short hurdle. It cannot easily cross. It has to consolidate, go sideways, remain in that zone for a week, 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. Then it can make a potential all time high of 30080 to 30250. That is how it can happen. Now between that there could be a correction. If a correction is a healthy correction, till where can the bottom be formed? I have already mentioned, near 13th of December it will form a fresh bottom, just like it made a fresh bottom, like a 3-day correction happened. So it made a top on 1st of August, and then it made a bottoming formation till 6th of August. So it was a 1 week. Again it made a fresh bottom and confirmed bottom 14th of August. So it made a 15-day kind of a bottoming formation, and then it has been 1 day upward. Again it made a double bottom over here somewhere around 9, 10th and September, and it is again going up. So that kind of a similar formation can happen around 13th of December. That is what I am talking over here. So where is 13th December from now? 13th December from now is almost 1 month and 15 days. So we are talking about next 45 days to 50 days is the potential that Nifty will continue in an uptrend and can come down. So if you see this green line which I have drawn over here, if this green line breaches, then this is the first support, which is 25325 then the second support 24748, then a very strong support 24313, and below that it can start breaking. But this is a very rare case scenario that this red line will also breach and this line will also breach. So, and one more thing, I have made all this calculation basis this low of 21880. So 21880 is my calculation point from which I have calculated everything. And this is in a nutshell my view on Nifty. I hope this makes sense to you. Do not take any trade basis what I have said over here. You are free to take your own trades, and if you think that any of my points mentioned over here makes sense to you, then please be kind and generous and make a small contribution of whatever you think is fair for my hard work and my efforts put in over here. You can buy me a cup of tea, a coffee, a snack, or a lunch by scanning this code and sending me some money. This will be very helpful and I'll be so thankful to you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have still not hit the like button, please hit the like button now and subscribe. By hitting your like button, nobody pays me any money. It is just that my video ranks somewhere in YouTube and shows up to other viewers. Thank you so much for watching this video.